Hey, what's up guys? Josh from TrailBuilt. Wouldn't it be nice if tire size fitment was provided right on the manufacturer's website in plain sight, detailed in the specifications of each model? That would be great, but that's never gonna happen due to liability issues, and that's why we have things like our fitment gallery and are making videos like these to make it a heck of a lot easier for you guys to figure out which size tires fit before ordering them from us on TrailBuilt. Today's video is going to be focused around the Ford Bronco and Bronco Sport, starting with the Sport. The Sport comes from the factory with either a 225/65 on a 17-inch wheel or a 235/65 on a 17-inch wheel. When sticking with the factory wheel offset, the biggest size tire you can run without a lift is a 245/65/17, which is about a 30.5-inch tall tire. There won't be any rubbing just while driving on the street anyways, but depending on the specific manufacturer of the tire, because, well, not every tire is exactly the same size. There might be some light rubbing while off-roading or at full stuff while articulating in the rocks or in extreme off-camber situations. However, if you don't want any rubbing at all or don't want to do any trimming, then it is recommended to install a 1.5-inch suspension lift. For those, we carry Beltec, Ready Lift, and Rough Country. If your plan is to run an aftermarket wheel with more of a negative offset with your new larger tires, then going with a 1.5-inch lift will be necessary. The more negative offset or the more the tires are pushed outwards away from your Bronco, the more that they are going to contact the fenders while turning, even on the street. And because it's a Bronco Sport, the 245/70 is the largest size tire that will fit. Anything bigger than that and you'll need the big brother Bronco to fit them. And here's the crazy awesome thing about the Big Brothers Broncos is that Ford has made their wheel openings large enough to fit a 35-inch tire even on a base Bronco. In fact, when you go to Ford's website and you go to build a Bronco base, you can add 35-inch tall tires as an upgrade. And that's even without having to install a lift. And that is awesome. If you want to bump up to a 37, to clear them all it takes is an additional 2 inches of lift. Although you can stuff 37s under a Bronco without a lift, however, they will rub quite a bit and will require some trimming. If you have the Sasquatch edition or plan on ordering the new Everglades edition, then 37s will fit even without any trimming or modifications. Just bolt them on and go. And of course, the Bronco Raptor already comes with 37s installed, and at this point in the game, where the Bronco Raptors have only been out for a few months, I don't have any additional information on fitting tires larger than 37s, but I'm sure there are plenty of Bronco Raptor owners out there and suspension manufacturers out there that are already working on something to fit something like a 40 or even larger. Guess we'll have to wait and see. And like I had mentioned earlier, guys, keep in mind that the more negative offset of a wheel is, when you package it with a larger size tire, the more the chances are that it's going to interfere with the fenders while turning lock to lock. This is why it would be great for all of you Bronco owners out there who have upgraded to a larger size tire to jump on our website at TrailBuilt Offroad and add it to our wheel and tire fitment gallery, to not only explain to others what was done with the suspension or if there was any trimming or anything like that, but then you also get to show it off as well. Just make sure to add a detailed description and plenty of high quality photos. And we'll have our fitment gallery's link posted in the description below. Or even if you guys do have any questions about fitting larger tires on your Bronco, definitely make sure and let us know in the comments below. And guys, as always, we appreciate all of you for watching and all of your support. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.